Welcome to our video on creating YouTube Shorts. Let's explore this exciting video format. YouTube Shorts are vertical videos up to 60 seconds long, designed for quick, engaging content consumption on mobile devices. They're YouTube's answer to TikTok and Instagram Reels, offering creators a new way to connect with audiences. The purpose of Shorts is to capture viewers' attention quickly and deliver bite-sized entertainment or information. They're ideal for showcasing creativity, sharing tips, or starting trends. Shorts are important because they tap into the growing demand for short-form content. With over 50 billion shorts watched daily, they offer creators a massive opportunity to reach new audiences and grow their channel. The key elements of a short include vertical format, 9:16 aspect ratio, duration of 60 seconds or less, engaging visuals, catchy music or sound effects, clear, concise messaging. You can use the built-in Shorts camera in the YouTube mobile app or external video editing software to create shorts. Popular tools include Canva, InShot, and Adobe Premiere Rush. While YouTube is the primary platform for shorts, you can also repurpose your content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels to maximize reach. Best practices for creating effective shorts include: hook viewers in the first few seconds, use trending music or sounds, keep your message clear and concise, experiment with different types of content, post consistently, engage with your audience through comments. Mistakes to avoid when creating shorts: using horizontal video format, making videos too long or complex, ignoring trends and popular topics, neglecting to optimize titles and descriptions, forgetting to add a call to action. Creating great shorts takes practice. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with the format. With dedication and creativity, you can leverage shorts to grow your YouTube presence and connect with viewers in exciting new ways. Start creating your shorts today and tap into this powerful tool for audience engagement and channel growth. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and that will encourage us to make more videos on this topic. To view other videos like this that focus on tools to increase your online marketing results, click subscribe. To let us know your most pressing question about the topic of today's video, use the comment section below. We'll likely produce a video answering your question or post an article on our blog. The link to our blog is in the description.